really not a flattering angle, I know, but I just got done shooting my video and it was a haul and I'm like PMSing and everything is like just... So I'm just resting now because I have all this clothes to clean and like keep in place. So finally a haul is going up on my channel. I'm so excited about this. All the clothes are like good, like there's no disappointment here, so that is what makes me happy about this haul. Anyway, I'll just rest, eat and then clean up and see you guys soon. Bye. So I forgot my camera at home, so I'm vlogging from my phone right now. I hope you guys can hear me. I'm just going to a place with Haley to edit our videos. Like, yeah, that's the fancy new thing that we are gonna do because I am bored sitting at home and edit my videos. So I have my laptop back here with me. So I forgot my wallet at home, so I had to go back home and I literally just reached the place, went back home and then came back. But finally I'm here and I got my camera also, so you guys can see all the food that we ordered. Also, hi Haley. Hello. So here's the Kit Kat milkshake that I just ordered and we have some yummy dim sum. Oh, it's hot, it's hot. Ah, it looks good. Yeah, let's do it. So I just came home and I forgot my wallet at home, so I had to reach there, then come back again. Of course I could borrow from Haley, but then I don't feel like, you know, that's just not me. So that's why I went there, came back home and then reached there again and still Haley was not there. I love people who make me feel like I'm on time, so yeah. Anyway, I just reached home now. I'll finish editing my video. Like, I did some editing, but then there's still like 15 minutes of footage left to edit, plus all the extra effects and everything. So yeah, I need to get a haircut done so freaking badly. Also summer's here, so it's just kind of really hard to manage hair, so that's why I need a haircut because I can't manage it. I'm too lazy to do that. So yeah, we'll see if I get it tomorrow or not. Hey guys, so I just received this box. I have no clue what this is. I cannot show you the front, but I can see a black box and it has my address. So yeah, anyway, let's just go ahead and open this. It's from Benefit. Oh my god. Now I am even more eager to open this, but I need to be careful because I don't want to break anything inside. Guys, I'm like just this much done. It is so complicated. So there are like two boxes, one is out already. I'm just trying to open the other one. Oh my god! Oh my god! This is so cute! And then I also received this. So fancy! Like, I've always seen like those LA YouTubers open such Benefit goodies and I used to get so excited, and now I'm like personally experiencing it. Like, you guys have no clue how happy I am right now. But obviously it's all because of you. Okay, let's open this. Okay, so I'm just going to try and open this first. Oh my freaking god, no way! Oh my god! Ah! Oh my god, I'm like freaking out right now. What is my life even? So this is what the box looks like. Oh my god. So this is what the lipstick looks like. They are all double the lip and it comes with a lip liner and the lipstick together. Like, ombre effect, totally yes. So there are like all the shades. I'm excited to use this because it's pink obviously. And then this is also looking good. Like, I'm excited to try this one out as well. Then we have some eyeshadows. So here are all the shades. I think my favorite has to be the Naughty Neutral. And then I also got Benefit They Are Real mascara. I wanted to try this out since so long. And now we'll just go ahead and see what's inside this. I'm like fangirling so hard right now. Like my day was going so bad, but this just made it so happening. Okay, look at this cool pouch firstly. Oh my god, there are a lot of things. Okay, firstly, they have sent me a lot of concealers. This is the hydrating one, this is the brightening one, this is industrial strength, and this is the airbrush one. And this is from their new range. And then I also got some eyebrow things. This is bruising. And then I got brow. I hope I'm pronouncing everything right. And then 3D brow tooth. And then they also gave us some stationery. So there's like erasers, pencil, which is like oh so cute. My god. Pink pencils, like much needed. And some paper clips, heart-shaped paper clips. This is also so cute. So this is what it looks like. This is the airbrush concealer. This is the brightening concealer. Then this is the industrial strength concealer. And this is the hydrating concealer. This looks fancy, okay? So it has like a gel thing around it, and then there's like a concealer. Because I have dry skin, I'm excited to try this one out. And then there is the eyebrow thing, brow. This is also waterproof, by the way. And 3D brow tones. I'm excited to try this one out because it looks so fancy. Wait a sec, it's hard to open with one hand. So it comes with like a tiny tweezer, angular brush, and wax and powder. And there's also a mirror here. So last week or last week they had their event and I couldn't go because of some reason. So I was a little disappointed, but they just sent me everything. So thank you so much, Benefit. Okay, so I think I'll just end the vlog here itself. I know I didn't do much this week because firstly it was like year end, not actual year end, but like financial year end. So I'm like just chasing people to pay me, and it's just disappointing because like you work hard, you deliver things on time, and then payments are like, you know, really late and all. So yeah, things will be interesting next week onward. Also, I know I didn't post my soul talk video because I was PMSing so bad. Whenever I film my soul talk video, I want to be in a happy mood. I don't want to do soul talks when I don't feel like it because then it will be just negative, and I want my soul talks to be the happiest videos on my channel. But I will film it hopefully this week or next week, and your questions won't go wasted, so don't worry about that. So yeah, that's it. Don't forget to work hard, be kind, and stay positive. And also don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you like watching my vlogs. That will just make me realize that yes, I should just keep posting vlogs, because at one point I was like kind of disappointed and I wanted to stop vlogging, but then there are a lot of people out there who wait for my vlog every week. So please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up so that I know you are here. I know you're supported. And yeah, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.